Hi, Mountain High. I'm Samantha.
And I'm Jordan.
And this is MTV.
Dad, put that down this second.
Hey everybody, it's Jared. Over here's my sister Sarah. She's half troll.
Here's Uncle Randy. He just drove down for the weekend.
For the week! What's the matter, Sarah? Don't you like Uncle Randy's claw? Go ahead, check it out. It's cool!
Jared, don't encourage him.
Sarah, I am your father.
Okay, now here's Dom with the word of the week.
We have a word wall in my class with a whole bunch of words on it that we pick up here and there, and the first word on the list right now is Armageddon, which is the final conflict between good and evil. And in a sentence you might say, the four horsemen of the apocalypse, famine, death, disease, and war, will signal the beginning of Armageddon.
This week, it's all about being grateful.
So we want to know what our students here at Mountain High are grateful for.
So let's go to Michaela talking to some students.
Today we asked the students at Mountain High what they were grateful for. This is what they had to say.
Mountain High, my family, my friends.
I'm grateful for education.
I'm thankful for Mountain High letting me graduate this year, and I'm also thankful for my white girl.
I'm grateful for Thanksgiving dinners and my family.
I'm thankful for my family, and I'm also thankful for Mountain High.
I'm thankful for food, and I'm thankful for Mountain High.
I am grateful for Hawaiian ice cream, food, teachers, school, education, traffic. Actually, scratch the last one, don't like traffic.
I am grateful for my family and Mountain High.
Hey guys, I'm thankful for, yeah.
Well, wasn't that amazing?
Now let's take it to Miss Richards with some helpful Thanksgiving recipes.
The recipe for 30-minute rolls have these ingredients. 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons warm water, and I'm talking about bathtub warm water. 2 tablespoons of yeast, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour, 1 egg, a 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then an additional 1.5 cups of flour. Combine your water, sugar, and yeast, and then if you'll cover it with a plate or a soft towel and let it just grow for a few minutes, it will become bubbly. So let it bubble. Probably take about 5 minutes. It should have a good bubbly top on it like this. Then you want to add 2 cups of flour. When you measure flour, you want to spoon it in your measuring cup, level it off so that you have an accurate measure. If you just scoop it in, you'll get more flour than your recipe calls for. So add 2 cups of flour, let it stir just a little bit and combine before you add your oil, because that will coat the yeast and your bread won't rise as much. Add your salt, oil, 1/3 cup of oil, and 1 egg. Now this is going to be a really soft dough, so as you mix it, just let it stir and stir until it is completely combined. Now if you don't have a stand mixer, you can certainly do that by hand. It's going to be a very sticky dough. You can see as it is on that dough hook. The best way to do that, to handle it, is to just put some oil on your hands, and then you're able to work with that dough. You can see it's kind of sticky. So put it out. What you want to do is divide this dough into 12 equal parts. You can put more oil on your hands if you need to, and you can see that's really quite soft. Cut that dough in half, and then in half again. Here's where your fractions come in. You want to cut it in fourths, and then cut each fourth into 3 equal parts. After you've got them in 3 equal parts, that's going to make 12 rolls for you. You're going to collect that dough and just roll it into a little ball, kind of like Play-Doh, until it's nice and smooth, and then put it into a greased 9 by 13 pan. Continue doing that for all 12 rolls. After you've formed all 12 rolls and put them in your greased cookie sheet or 9x13 pan, you'll want to cover them with a clean towel and let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is going to give them time to rise. It's called proofing. Put them in a hot oven at 375 degrees for 10 minutes. Then guess what? Here they come straight out of the oven, and the whole room smells wonderful. I always, after I take them out of the oven, I always brush the tops with a little bit of melted butter. So I have a great recipe. There I have copies in my room, or you can go to my website and go to recipes, and it will be on there. I hope you enjoy.
Thanks for watching MTV this week, you guys.
Remember all the things you're grateful for this Thanksgiving break.